You know that feeling when your Express app actually looks like a giant middleware burger. Auth, logging, validation, everything stacked together one over other और flow का कुछ पता नहीं. And you add one more layer and suddenly everything breaks. And you're stuck debugging around 500 vague errors at 1 a.m. just to realize that your auth middleware is fired after your body parts up. Have you been there? तो भाई आज बात करते हैं सॉल्यूशन की. Hello everyone, I am Amit Agarwal, a full stack engineer and an IT entrepreneur and a man who has spent 12 years in developing web applications and leading high performing dev teams. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लो because यहाँ we demystify the tech, the tools, the frameworks and the concept behind frameworks. Have you seen our last video on VS Code extensions? वही जिसमें हमने Eco API और GitHub Copilot यूज करके प्रोडक्टिविटी बूस्ट की थी. And today we are going to take our next big step, choosing the right backend framework. Express is fast, flexible and lightweight, and that's great. But until isn't. Because it does not enforce a structure. It does not care where your logic lives. It does not stop you putting your whole app into one route file. And trust me, lot of dev does that. अब होता क्या है? Every developer has its own style of coding. DB calls, validation, business rules, सब एक जगह. Result: routes become fact and files become monster. And testing? छोड़ो, let's not even go there. मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहा था जिसमें एक्सप्रेस यूज हुआ था. And the team size was about 6 people. अब सबने अपने हिसाब से कोड किया था. किसी ने DB calls कंट्रोलर में डाली, someone has created a nice service और किसी ने मिडलवेयर लिख दिया randomly. अब जब भी एक नया फीचर ऐड करना होता था तो पूरे कोड बेस का MRI स्कैन करना पड़ता था. और MRI स्कैन में एक चीज हमेशा पता चलती थी कि there are duplicate codes written by different developers with a different function names. And testing becomes mocks of mocks of mocks. Actually, Express gives you freedom, but that freedom is exactly why the Express apps becomes unmaintainable. तो अगर आपकी ऐप एक वीकेंड प्रोजेक्ट है तो Express is fine. But if you're building something real, a SaaS product, a client deliverable, or a startup you want to grow, you do not need freedom, you need discipline. And that's where Nest.js is a game changer. Nest.js is not just any other Node.js framework. It's a full-blown structured enterprise-grade backend system that utilizes TypeScript and powered by Angular architecture. और सबसे बड़ी बात, Nest.js gives you structure from day one. Controller, services, modules, सब predefined है, ताकि आप सिर्फ कोड करो बिना ये सोचे कि कौन सी फाइल कहाँ बनेगी या कहाँ बनानी है. एक और मजेदार बात, Nest.js uses dependency injection by default. So if you are coming from Spring Boot or Angular, you will feel right at home. Every piece is testable, reusable and scalable on its own. और अगर आप team setup में काम कर रहे हैं, then with the help of dependency injection, you can easily plug and play new feature very cleanly. The Nest.js CLI is fire. You generate modules, controllers, services right with a single command, and it's scaffold very easily. Testing? It comes predefined with Zest. So no more mocking 7 different files just to test one API route. Just clear layers, clear flows and clear result. And then it comes about features. Microservices, WebSocket, API documentation, caching. Nest.js has official standard modules that are ready to plug and play, easy to integrate very cleanly. तो आगे से No more random hunting of random libraries from npm या फिर GitHub के readme फाइल में जाके स्क्रॉल करके हैक निकालना. Everything integrates cleanly. अब अगर आप जॉब स्विच कर रहे हैं और एज अ फ्रीलांसर you are looking for a better client, let me tell you, companies and corporates are actually moving away from pure Express. Because Nest.js apps are easier to scale, audit and onboard. Express is great for utility APIs, MVPs, and Lambda functions. But if you're working on something big, something which is meant to grow, something that matters, Nest.js is no-brainer. It is fast, tight, structured, and built for scalability. Or Tech Demystified पे, this is just a beginning. In the upcoming videos, we are going to deep dive in Nest.js. Yes, creating our own modules, interceptor, guards, structuring real-world services, integrating GraphQLs, scaling our own microservice, and testing our code in a smarter way. So stick around. और आप अगर अभी तक यहाँ हैं, then you're serious about backend development. So, if you got value from this, तो like जरूर करें और कमेंट करके मुझे बताएं whether you are migrating from Express or you are just exploring Nest as a new framework. And of course, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना because from the coming videos is the place where the real journey begins. तो आज की वीडियो यहीं खत्म करते हैं. मैं हूं अमित अग्रवाल और आप देख रहे हैं टेक डिमिस्टिफाइड और मिलते हैं आपसे अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए कीप बिल्डिंग, कीप लर्निंग एंड रिमेंबर, कॉन्सेप्ट एवरीवेयर, कोड एनीवेयर.